YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. So today's the day. I get to show you what I got in place of my Louis Vuitton Passy, which had developed a crack, and I noticed 29 days after I received it. I was right under the wire because you have 30 days to make a return, and after that, then you're in a repair or at the manager's discretion situation. So I got to do an exchange, and they offered to do the same bag, but I chose to do a different one because I feel like with the flap and the glazing that it would be prone to happen again, and I didn't want to have to think about it. So today I've got an unboxing and try on maybe of a new bag that I've never showed you before, which I'm super pumped about. So I'm not going to have time to do the whole video right now because I'm headed to lunch, but I am switching from this beauty into this beauty if everything goes well. My husband and I are going to meet up, and it's raining, so I don't want to take this beauty out with me in the rain in her perfect lambskin. So let's see what's in here. That might give you a hint. It's something weatherproof. All right, the moment of truth. I wish Louis Vuitton would pack things with some padding so that the bag doesn't bump around in shipping, but they don't. This was in an exterior box, of course, that was wet because of the rain. It was raining pretty hard when the UPS driver was pulling up, and so I went ahead and removed the exterior box, but I'm ready to show this to you live in person. Well, I mean, it's pre-recorded, so I guess it's not live, but I'm ready to show this to you. So without further ado, let's get out the beautiful Boulogne bag. I don't know if I'm saying that right. This is the back. So let's turn her around and I'll show you the front. She's a beautiful crescent shaped bag. Well, not totally crescent because these corners are more squared off than a typical crescent bag, but the top has a nice curve to it. Oh gosh, my glasses are in the other room. I'll just have to look closer in a minute because I'm gonna have to switch into this bag, assuming everything is okay. So I'm giving her a good look over, but look how well the pattern matches up on the sides on this bag. I saw pictures before they sent it, but it looks even better in person. And the chain, it feels amazing. It's thicker links than I expected it to be. And it's a great way to dress up. So my Passy, I could wear it day or night. I could wear it crossbody, or I could wear it on the shoulder. And this bag is the same way. It just has a different type of closure, and I think it might be better in terms of not getting cracks. I do repair a lot of glazing on my own when I have cracks, but I won't repair this bag. If it develops a crack here, I would just send it in and have it done. I kind of have a rule of thumb. If it's something I paid less than $1,000 for and I don't want to send it in and have it gone forever, I'll just repair it myself. But if it's a more expensive bag and it develops a problem, I would rather send it to the manufacturer and let them correct the problem than take the chance that I'm going to screw it up. So let's open up this beauty and check out the interior. When you look inside, it is a black interior. It has this strap, which can go crossbody, short shoulder, or long shoulder. I'll probably do it all the ways, probably mostly short shoulder and crossbody. And most of the time, I'm gonna wear it with the chain dangling on the front, although it is a little noisy, just like my Prada Reeditions though. And I love to wear them with the chain on the front. The difference is the Prada comes with a web strap, and then this one comes with a leather strap. But size-wise, you can see they're not that far off. The Prada is definitely smaller by a bit, and you can really see it by looking at the bottom. This bag doesn't have as much structure as the Prada, although she has an organizer in her, which helps. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab an organizer from one of my other bags just to see if it fits okay. I know I can get a Boulogne. It looks like bologna. I don't know. I know I can get a Boulogne insert from Green Tech Inserts as well as other sellers on Etsy, so I may do that. But for now, since I want to carry this bag today, I'm going to grab one from one of my soft tabbies and see if that works. So holding it up to the bag, it looks like it's not going to be quite as deep. It's kind of smashed in on one side, but it's a pretty darn good fit, and it makes it a lot easier to see what's inside by having that organizer in there. So I'm gonna use this bag with this insert until I figure out what I'm doing. I have made the mistake recently to buy inserts before I receive the bag, and I've learned the hard way not to do that. You want to make sure you like the bag and that it arrives in good condition before you buy the inserts. I'm going to go ahead and switch over from this bag into the Boulogne, and I will show you what my stuff looks like inside. So first is my pouch that has things that might poke my bag or get on my bag. It's a somewhat waterproof pouch. And then I have my medicine in this little pouch. I have extra cards in this LV key clay, which coordinates oh so nicely with the bag. Got my Chanel hand cream, and I'm just kind of throwing everything in the middle for now, but you can see I have plenty of room. I've got my key fob, my AirPods case, and a comb. All that slides in there, easy peasy. I have a glasses case and some papers, which I'm just gonna slide into one of the pockets here on the organizer. I have my Prada card case, and then I've got some cash and a check. I'm gonna use the big long pocket on the Boulogne to put that. So that's all my stuff, and I still have tons of room. I could definitely put my phone in there as well as probably some glasses, but I wear my glasses on my head, so I don't need to do that. So there she is in all her glory. She's gonna take her maiden voyage out right now, and I will come back and do some mod shots later. I'm out of time. Bye. I'm back. I went out and grabbed a quick bite with my husband and got some travel documentation done that I had needed to get done for a few days now, and so it feels good to get that out of the way. And I gave Miss Boulogne a ride, and she did great. This little bag is small but mighty. It is not heavy. The leather on these parts here, it feels really, really good. It's like so soft. The leather that I had on my Neo Noe, I ended up selling that bag, if you all didn't know that, but that leather was not near as soft as this one. So this may be a bit more fragile, but I don't know. I mean, I don't tend to knock around my bags too much, but I do still think that since it's treated, it's a pretty safe all-weather bag. I loved the strap on the shortest setting, and I'm going to hop up and show you the 3 different settings while I have your attention. So here she is on the shortest setting. I have to squat down a bit so you can see all of me. I have a long tunic style shirt on, so it's not really showing you my waist all that well, but my natural waist is about right here, if that gives you a good idea. All right, let's do the adjustments. So there's a series of snaps. You just unsnap both sides and you pull up. There is a spot in the middle, which is right there. So you see you've got a double strap on about half of it if you do it this length. So then it's definitely hitting me. My hip bone is right here. It's much lower. I'm 5'8", about 147 pounds. It varies so much. If I eat like one hot dog or a piece of pizza, I gain 5 pounds. So that's about where it is on the middle setting. I don't think you could do, no, it would be like all up in your boob space if you tried to do it crossbody on the middle setting, but it definitely works crossbody on the longest setting. I just wore it on my shoulder and I really liked it that way. So I imagine that's the way I'm gonna wear it most of the time. But if you wanna wear it crossbody, you definitely can. And actually it's really flattering that way with this shirt because it nips in my waist. So I like that. I was concerned about buying this bag for one reason, and that was because of this strap. I've tried on the multi-pochette accessoire in the store in the empreinte leather, and it has a strap a lot like this, and it really hurt my shoulder. So putting this on right now, I can't tell that it bothers me at all. And when I tried on the multi-pochette accessories or accessoire at the Louis Vuitton store, I could tell immediately that I could not wear the adjustable strap that came with that bag because it hurt. Now, that said, I had an issue with the small Lulu puffer bag, much in the same way. It bothered me when I tried it on in store. I decided to give it another chance and ordered it online, and now I'm fine with it. But I do wear a shirt with sleeves when I wear those bags, and they're kind of winter bags anyway, so it's not a problem. But this is much more comfortable than I thought it would be. So what do you guys think? You have to let me know. I think she's beautiful. The canvas is very malleable, and it has a little bit of a sheen to it. Some people talk about how the older canvas has more of a sheen to it. When I very first got this out of the box, I noticed there was a little bit of wrinkling on the leather there, probably because it's so soft. But I did give it a little massage with some leather lotion, and it's straightened up pretty well. You can see there's a little dent right there. I was just happy not to find any issues with the glazing, any issues with the canvas cracking, any issues with hardware being scratched, and the front looks amazing. So if the back has a couple little wrinkled spots, that's going to happen anyway when it touches my body. You got to figure that that's going to happen. So you know what this part of the video is. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. And let me tell you, there's a reason why you might want to see me again real soon, and I'm going to show you a sneak peek. The receipt just fell out. This just came in the mail, so I have another Louis Vuitton unboxing, so you got to stay tuned. And you gotta subscribe and you gotta like, because I'm coming back in the next couple days and unboxing this beauty with you. You don't want to miss that. I'll see you later. Bye.